Now on our crude oil analysis, now we can see for some days we've actually been falling. I'm on a daily time frame. As we can see, daily time frame as we are analyzing on. As we can see here, I'll be starting from here. We saw this fall, right? We saw this retracement on our downward trend line. If you understand it, we saw this fall, and guess what? We are having a retracement. I believe a retracement. And for the week we are aiming for, I'm actually still seeing a fall on our crude oil analysis. See around 94. Currently, I think we are still trading at 105, 106. Our price is pushing up. But for the week that we are aiming for, I'm still seeing a fall to hit this our lowest here. As you can see, this our area here serving as a support area here, low here. Sits here serving as a support area here. And we can also see here serving this place, we can call it about 96 points, and this our lowest place is actually 92 points. That is why I said at the range of 96 and at the range of 92, I'm aiming for our price to hit 94 for the week. So I've marked, there's every possibility we can go lower, hit 96. There's every possibility we hit that 96 96, or we can hit that 92 and price reverse. But I'm aiming here for 94 for the week. We are currently at 100, still trading around 100. We are still on a fall on our WTI crude oil, so don't get it wrong. We are still on a fall. That is on our daily time frame. It can be confirmed as our price is below our moving 10 period moving average on a daily time frame. So it would be a very wrong decision to actually take your buy. So we are still a legitimate pullback area here. By the way, our price can decide to reverse at 107. It can also push up to reverse at 109. But where we are aiming to close for the week is about 94. So I don't know where we probably might see the end of the pullback. We might see the end of the pullback at 106. We can sit at 108 or 109 or anyhow, anywhere. But one thing I know is that I'll probably be waiting for my price to hit my 10 period moving average. Then I will short this my 10 WTI crude oil till 94. So we are still on a massive downward trend on our WTI for this week. So let us be able to grab it. And out of 4 hour time frame, you can see its price reacting here, as probably seeing a little bit of a push up here, touch this area, and I'll probably might be seeing a fall. But anyway, let's see how our WTI will play out for the week. So that is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.